Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to use the ILS in the Microsoft Flight Simulator, and the ILS stands for Instrument Landing System. And the reason that this could be very important for pilots is when you're flying in low visibility. That means like if the clouds are really low and you can't really see well, then you usually don't look out the cockpit, you just focus on your ILS, which is the Instrument Landing System. So I'll be teaching you guys how to use this in this video. Please sit back, relax, and I'll tune you guys in after the intro.
Order 129, 170, 090, descend to maintain 3000. Descending 090, to maintain 3000, Porter 129. Number 4518, speed 210, then maintain 4000.
210, then down to 4000.
Showing the 45, fly heading 095, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff.
Today I'm going to be explaining how the ILS on the A320 works. So if you want me to do a tutorial on any other plane, comment down in the sections below, and I might end up seeing your comment and doing it. So first you want to pick your airport, and you want to remember your code so you can put it on a note or anything. For me, I'll just put it on my like search bar or something. So my flight code is KMCO, so you can go on your phone, your iPad, or whatever your device you have, and then I'll put it in. So KMCO, and this will be very important for later on. So now you want to click where you want to take off from. Then I'll tell you guys when I'm on the runway.
Orlando Tower Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 ready for
Okay guys,
departing
so
straight out at runway 17
we're
right.
on the runway now, as you can see. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off. So let's do that first. The parking brake should already be released. There we go. It wasn't. So now let's just take off. Wait for the V1. And take off. So the V1 speed on this plane is 141 knots, and the VR speed is 152 knots, I think. So 141 knots, V1, rotates. Boom. So that's pretty much takeoff, as you can see. So after that, what you want to do is want to go to your menu here, and then you want to go to installation. So after that, you want to put what you wrote down on your iPad or device or whatever you have. So which is your airport code. I'm going to put in my code CO/KMCO. So if it takes a long time, you could just go here and then click toggle after pause, so then you can stop moving. So KMCO. After that, and then you want to. So after that, you want to click this, the tap, and it'll show this after like 1 or 2 seconds. And then after that, you want to click return. After that, you can like go back to check if you did it correct. You can make sure if you want to. So then after that, when you click return, you want to go to flight plan, and you want to click destination, and then arrival, as I put before. Then you want to click your runway. Make sure it's on ILS, as I said. So I'm going to pick 18 right. And then after that, After that, I remember. So after you click your runway, you want to go click this button, I think. No, you want to go to radio navigation, and you should see your flight plan there. And after that, you want to go to flight plan, and then go here, and then you can see that. And then after a few seconds, that's when it should pop up if you do it correct. So you can see that tiny line there. So because I have to turn around. So as you can see on the VFR map, I have to move around. So let me just turn on the ILS. So as you can see here, yeah, I did everything correct. So you should have done everything correct after that. Sorry for when I did anything wrong. So now you want to, what's the plane doing? Oh, there we go, now I can turn. So you want to turn around, which is what I have to do. And what's pretty strange is whenever I do it, it wouldn't show me this here to tell me if I'm high enough or not. Now, if you guys know if that's like a bug or anything, if I did something wrong, then you can put it down in the sections, in the comment section down below, to notify me. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in when I'm going to land. As you can see, I'm on my final approach. So as you can see, the ILS is saying that I'm not close to the runway. So I have to descend, as you can see from this diamond here. It's the horizontal ILS thing, I'm pretty sure. So I have to descend, as you can see. Now usually for me, I make smoother landings with the ILS approach. And it really depends for other people, but for me I make smoother landings. But usually the ILS is used in like foggy or like not in clear, when it's not visible outside. That's what it's usually used for, ILS. But I'm just doing a tutorial if you want to like mess around with the clouds or anything. So as you can see here, I have to go a bit higher, and I'm not on the center line, so I'll turn a bit this way. There we go. Now I have to descend. What you guys can use is the PAPI lights or the ILS, but usually the ILS lands the plane by itself. I think that's what it's used for, I'm pretty sure. So if I'm wrong, you guys can like say in the comment section if something's wrong. But so let's land. There we go. Didn't even feel that landing. A bit of a bounce. Let's land again. There we go. Now reverse thrusters. How am I still? Okay. Reverse thrusters. There's the auto thrust messed up. Kept on going. Reverse thrusters, and yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys want me to do any other plane, like for example the 777 or the A380, any other plane, I can do. So that was pretty much an ILS tutorial on the Microsoft Flight Simulator. If some stuff has to change during like other updates, then I will make a second video, but it shouldn't change because Microsoft shouldn't change that. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you watched to the end, write in the comments ILS if you watched to the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.